Hey there, so how to install Fanatics Sportsbook app. So just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. This app is in the top charts in sports. Um, you can see it doesn't have that many ratings yet, but average rating is pretty high. So bet on the sports you love and earn fun rewards you can't get anywhere else. Fanatics Sportsbook is only currently live in few states like Tennessee, Ohio, Massachusetts, and Maryland, with more states coming soon. So it's only available in United States and only these few states. And then here you can bet on NBA, NCAA, basketball, football, NFL, MLB, NHL, PGA, soccer, tennis, UFC, boxing, motorsports, and more. So that's basically the idea. You can see some other details. Yeah, even if being in few states, this app is quite high in the charts. So definitely give it a try. So then you can just sign up, you can allow notifications, and then basically this is how it looks like. Super boosts, Monday night matchups. Then you can see the schedule here. You can see your bets. You need to log in to see your bets or place new ones. You just need to log in or just create your account with email and password. And then then there is search, or you can also search. You can, as you can see, just browse the app without creating an account if you like it, and then create an account if you think it's a good deal. So that's basically what it is, and then you can just see the idea. So hope that is helpful.